Dear students, welcome back to our video tutorial on Red TV. It's Mr. Suresh Aryal from JJ Secondary School. Dear students, today I am going to do this numerical from that mentioned. For this numerical, first, how we find the area of a rhombus. You already studied the definition of rhombus in the previous classes and the previous video as well. The content of this video is beneficial for class 9 and class 8 as well. Dear students, did you see that previous videos? In that video I was discussed about the area of triangles, which formula apply to find area of any type of triangle, that equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, that is scalar triangle, right angle triangle. Here one question from right angle triangle is also, in that case we can use formula 1/2 base into perpendicular. Remember students. Now I am going to generalize the area of rhombus. What's the formula to find the area of rhombus, where the diagonals are given? Two diagonals of rhombus are given. In that case, what formula apply to find the area? So, dear students, I have one that rhombus. This rhombus, all sides are equal. This is quadrilateral and bounded by both sides. So, ABCD is a rhombus. Its all sides are equal to each other. And BD, similarly AC, are the diagonals. These diagonals bisect each other at a point O. Bisect each other, that means AO and OC are equal. Similarly, OD and OB are equal to each other. We know the properties of the rhombus. In a rhombus, this rhombus ABCD, its diagonals bisect to each other with perpendicularly. That means these diagonals are that intersect that perpendicular at point O. That means the measure of angle that DOC equal to that COB equal to this angle equal to 90 degree. In that case, this triangle is a right angle triangle. These angles, that all angles are right angle triangles. Now I am going to generalize which formula apply to find the area of this one. This one is the parallelogram also. That is already studied in class 9. Now area of parallelogram equal to base into height. Where two diagonals of rhombus are given, that is what formula apply to find the area of this one. The distance in the figure ABCD is a rhombus. In which AC equal to D1 and BD equal to D2, suppose. Similarly, now in a rhombus, its diagonals bisect to each other perpendicularly. Therefore, AO equal to OC equal to that AC equal to D1. That means D1 divided by 2. Here AO and OC are equal to each other. Because O point is the midpoint of diagonal AC. Similarly, O is the midpoint of diagonal B. Now, area of rhombus A equal to area of rhombus. Here two triangles. First one this triangle, another one this triangle. By this two triangle make that whole rhombus. This one right segment This one is ABD and the triangle CDB. This two triangle BD equal to that D2 and AO. Similarly CO. AO and CO are perpendicular to the base BD of both triangle. So AO equal to D1 by 2. Similarly CO equal to D1 by 2. Now the area of rhombus. एरिया अफ रोम्बस जसले हामी समबाहु चतुर्भुज भन्छौं यो समबाहु चतुर्भुजको क्षेत्रफल यो दुईवटा त्रिभुजको क्षेत्रफलको समेसन भ्यालु र यो यो रोम्बसको एरिया हुन जान्छ सो एरिया अफ ट्रायंगल ABD प्लस triangle BCD equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. We already discussed about the area of triangle. Area of triangle depends on its base and altitude equal to area of triangle ABD 1 by 2 base into height plus area of triangle, another triangle is also same 1 by 2 base into height. There is now 1 by 2 we can take common that B is base, BD is the base of both triangle, then the value of BD equal to D2 into the height of first triangle ABD that OA that OA or OC will have the same D1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that B is base of second triangle is also same BD and the value of BD is D2 into height of second triangle that OC is the height of or altitude of second triangle and the value of OC equal to D1 by 2. Now 1 by 4 we can take common 1 by 4 here D1 D2 plus D1 D2 equal to 1 by 4. These two are like terms, so we can add that 2 D1 dot D2 2 to the 4 equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2. This one is the required condition. Now the area of rhombus. When two diagonals are given, at that time we can use this formula to find the area of this rhombus. 1 by 2 D1 into D2. 1 by 2 D1 into in all that coordinate we can use this or not? No. If diagonals are bisect to each other with perpendicular at a single point, in that case only we can use 1 by 2 D1 into D2. In what types of quadrant we can use this one? Yes, in square we can use this one because square diagonals are also intersect at a single point bisect with perpendicular. Similarly in rhombus diagonals are also bisect to each other at a single point with perpendicular. Similarly in kite, similarly in arrowhead. That is we can use formula area of that quadrant 1 by 2 D1 into D2. Okay, dear students, I'm going to do that first question by using this formula. Is a garden is in the shape of a rhombus which each side is 15 meter and its one of two diagonals is 24 cm. Find area of the garden. Rhombus is all sides are equal and given one side, each side is 15 centimeter. That all sides is 15 centimeter. The two diagonals out of two, one diagonal is 24 centimeter. Then what's the area of the land? What area of that garden? Okay, for that this one must be important. Without this we can't find the area of that one. Area of that rhombus shape that garden 1 by 2 D1 into D2. For that first find the length of another diagonals. One diagonal out of two already given in question. Now another diagonal length of another diagonal is what? that is we can use that Pythagoras theorem. If one side is given and the diagonals are given, in that case we can use by Pythagoras theorem, we get the length of these sides. Okay. Now this one 1/2 d1 into d2. This is the area of rhombus. Now the whole, by whole part area, we can use whole part area. Now area of first triangle, similarly area of second triangle, that's whole addition value is area of rhombus. यो दुईवटा ट्रायंगल्स हो, समेसन भ्यालुलाई हामीले के भन्छौं, त्यो रोम्बसको समबाहु चतुर्भुजको क्षेत्रफल भन्छौं। यो समबाहु चतुर्भुजलाई एउटा डायगोनल जसलाई हामीले विकर्ण भन्छौं, यो विकर्णले दुईवटा भागमा बराबर भागमा विभाजन गर्छ। यो बराबर भागमा विभाजन गर्दा प्रत्येक डायगोनल, प्रत्येक त्रिभुजको क्षेत्रफल आफैमा इक्वल हुन्छ। आइदर दैट रेक्टेंगल और पैरालोग्राम और रोम्बस, त्यस्ता खालका quadrilateral types of quadrilateral, तिनीहरुमा चाहिँ diagonal के गर्छ, divide equal to half. So okay, now that first question, okay, that information plot in this figure, this one rhombus, this one garden shape of a rhombus with each side is 15 centimeter, sorry meter, that 15 meter, this one 15 meter, this 15 meter, this 15 meter, so all sides are equal. This one is the property of a rhombus, and two diagonals, here two diagonals, this one diagonal, another this diagonal. Two diagonals, one is like A, B, C, D is a garden, here all sides are equal. Its boundary are equal to each other, straight boundary are equal to each other, and length AC equal to that 24 meter. 24 meter. We know the properties of rhombus. Its diagonals bisect to each other with perpendicularly. Perpendicularly means this angle is 90 degree. Now this triangle is right angle triangle. So OA equal to OC equal to 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 cm, sorry 12 meter. Now our mission to find area of this garden. For that, BD is also necessary when we use formula 1/2 d1 into d2. d1 is given as the length of AC, or diagonal of AC is of this rhombus AC is that 24 centimeter. What the length and the diagonal BD? For that, we can use Pythagoras theorem. This triangle is right angle triangle. There is tons. The length of AO, AO is half of diagonal AC. And properties, AO is the half of diagonal AC. Therefore, length of AO equal to 12 meter. AB is that 15 meter. AB equal to 15 meter. What length of OB? This triangle is right angle triangles. In triangle ABO, right angle triangle OAB, we can use Pythagoras theorem because this triangle is right angle triangles. These three sides are Pythagorean triplets. So derivations in here each side of a rhombus equal to 15 meter, one diagonal, d1 equal to that 24 meter, in a rhombus, its diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. So OA equal to OC equal to 24 divided by 2 equal to 12 meter, and angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle AOB, triangle OAB is right angled triangle. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem in rectangled triangle OAB, dear students, we can use Pythagoras theorem now. That OB equal to that AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. AB square, that 15 square equal to OA square, the value of OA equal to that 12 cm, the 12 meter, that 12 square plus OB square. By calculation we get the value of OB square equal to that 225 minus 144. OB square equal to 225 minus 144, subtracted value is 81. Therefore, the value of OB equal to plus minus 9. But here OB is the length of side. So, length of side in geometrical figure always is in positive form, not in negative. Therefore, OB equal to only plus 9, that meter. By property of rhombus, length of diagonal BD equal to 2 times of 9 meter equal to 18 meter. Now the length of first diagonal is 24 centimeter and the length of another diagonal BD equal to 18 meter. By this calculation, you can find the area of each one. Area of rhombus A equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2. 1 by 2 D1. Length of first diagonal, that 24 cm, 24 meter, but D2 is 18 meter. Now 2 12 equal to, now 12 meter times 18 meter. Now the productive value of these two, 18 times 180 plus 18 to the 36, 6, 1, 2, 216 meter square is area of that rhombus shaped guard. Okay, dear students. Now, to find the area of this one from here, each side of rhombus is 15 centimeter, that given in question. One diagonal is 24 meter, this one is also. In a rhombus, its triangle bisect each other. This one is the properties of rhombus. Therefore, OA equal to OC. OA equal to OC by whole part axiom, that OA plus OC is the length of that whole diagonal AC. Therefore, the length of OA equal to half of full diagonal, that 12 meter. And angle AOB, by these properties, we can write angle AOB equal to 90 degrees. So this triangle is right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, from that, so we get the length of OB. OB and OD are equal to each other. Already, written here the properties of triangle, rhombus, that diagonals bisect to each other. Therefore, the length of diagonal BD equal to 2 times of this one. 2 times of this one is 2 into 9 equal to 18 meter. So finally, to get area of this whole rhombus equal to 1 by 2 D1 into D2. 1 by 2 D1 means 24 centimeter, dot D2 means 18 meter, and the calculation we get area of rhombus equal to 216 meter square. Okay, dear students, now I am going to do that second question. that one. Now second question, the perimeter of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangles. Right angle triangles. The triangles having one angle equal to 90 degree. Here ABC is right angle triangle. At point B, that angle B make a 90 degree, so this triangle is right angle triangle. Here this perpendicular, this base, and this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is unchangeable, not change that one. That the longest sides always hypotenuse is in right angle triangle, another two are perpendicular and base. If different angles given, in that case that's opposite sides always perpendicular and remaining side is base. Okay, now second one, the perimeter of a right angle triangle. First, let P B and yours are perpendicular base and hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Yes. Here given the perimeter of right angle triangle is 24 cm and its area is 24 cm square. I already discussed about area of right angle triangles. This formula 1/2 base into perpendicular. Area of RT angle triangle A equal to 1/2 B into P, or area of triangle equal to 24 cm square. Area of triangle 24 cm square equal to 1/2 P dot D. Therefore, P dot B equal to 48 cm square. That is first equation. Another one information given in question, the perimeter of a right angle triangles. Again, perimeter of RT angle triangle P equal to P plus B plus yachts. P plus B plus yachts equal to perimeter 24 cm. 24 cm. Here P plus B plus, we know the relation between P, B and yachts in right angle triangle, that yachts square equal to P square plus B square. Therefore yachts equal to root under P square plus B square. We can substitute the value of yachts in right angle triangle, that root under P square plus B square equal to 24, or P plus B root under P square plus B square equal to that 24 minus P plus B, or squaring both sides, P square plus B square equal to 24 minus P plus B whole square. Here yours B yours. Now square, remove this radical sign, then P square plus B square equal to 24 A minus B whole square, like as 24 whole square minus A minus B whole square, that 24 square minus 2A means 24 dot B means P plus B plus B square means P plus B whole square. Okay, as like this A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square, or P square plus B square equal to that 24 square 576 minus 48, that P plus B 48P, that minus plus minus 48b plus, again we can expand in formula that p plus b whole square as like a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here these are the equation we can plot these two, p square b square, or 0 equal to 576 minus 48p minus 48b plus 2pb. This one get, these two get another sign. Now 48p plus b equal to that 576 plus 576 plus 2, that value of pb, that 48, because value of p dot b equal to 48. P plus b equal to 576 plus 48 to the 96. P plus b equal to now 48, sorry, 5 6 6 12 2, carry over 1, 9 7 16, 1 17, that 5 1 672, that 48, so 48. P plus b equal to 672 divided by 48. Now 12 goes 12, 5 60, 7 to 12, 6 12, 5 60, that means 7, 72, now 12, 6 that again that 4, 56 divided by 4, 4 1 4, 1 6 14, that p plus b equal to 14 in the equation second. Okay dear students, the value of p dot b equal to 48 and the value of p plus b equal to 14. We already studied in class that 8 that the first into last method, factorize method, like this: a square plus 12a plus 20. How we factorize this one? We can use first into last method. This one. Here, first into last. First means coefficient of a square, then 1, multiply by the 20, the plus by the 12. Multiply by the 20, the plus by the 12, which are possible two numbers. जसलाई हामीले गुणन गर्दा 20 र त्यसलाई प्लस गर्दाखेरि 12 हुने दुईवटा पोसिबल नम्बरहरु के हुन्छन्? हामीले त्यसमा 20 लाई हामीले ब्रेक गर्छौं 1 20 2 10 4 5 5 4. These all are possible factors. These all are possible factors of that 20. These all are facts of 20. Out of them, which pair we can take? When splitting this, that 12a, this is the middle term. You 12a लाई हमने यसलाई खण्डित गर्दा 12a लाई यो एउटा टर्मलाई हामीले खण्डित गर्दाखेरि दुईवटा टर्म कुनमा हामीले डिवाइड गर्न सक्छौं. That 12a means multiply गर्दा 20 र एड गर्दा 12. यसमा हामीले 10 and 2 लियौं. 21 to 20, but that's addition value. Summation value is not 12. Then 520, its addition value. Summation value is not 12. Similarly, 4 5 is also 20, but it's also that summation value is not equal with 12. Now here 2 and 10. 2 र 10 अर्थात 10 र 2 को एडिसन भ्यालु that 12 हुन्छ र त्यसको मल्टिप्लिकेटिभ भ्यालु चाहिँ 20 हुन्छ. Therefore, a square plus that 12a we can break in this form, that 10a plus 2a plus 20. हो हामीले यो 12a लाई जसरी यो दुईवटा टर्ममा हामीले ब्रेक गर्यौं, यसमा मल्टिप्लाई गर्दा 20 र एड गर्दा that 12 छ, त्यसको अर्थ 12 10 र 2 हुन्छ भने डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स, now in equation first and second, यो दुईवटा इक्वेसनलाई हामीले हेरौं, p र b को मल्टिप्लिकेटिभ भ्यालु 48 र p र b को एडिसन भ्यालु चाहिँ 14 छ. त्यो दुईवटा नम्बर कुन कुन हुन्छ? हो त्यही फ्याक्टराइजेसन मेथड हामीले युज गर्दा जसको मल्टिप्लिकेटिभ भ्यालु 48 र एडिसन भ्यालु 14 हुने भनेको 8 and 6 हो. 8 and 6. जब 8 र 6 लाई मल्टिप्लाई गर 48 आउँछ, यसलाई एड गर 14 आउँछ हो therefore since the possible value of P and B are 8 and 6 or 6 and 8. Finally P plus B plus H equal to P plus B plus H equal to that 24 value of P and B 8 plus 6 plus H equal to 24 therefore value of H equal to 8 6 14 10 see on. Okay dear students, now the required side of this triangle. Now the required sides of this right angle triangle are 8 cm, 6 cm or 6 cm, 8 cm and the one hypotenuse is 10 cm because 10 is the longest sides in this triangle's right angle triangle. Another two sides perpendicular at base are either 8 and 6 or 6 and 8. Okay, dear students, these two questions are parallel with question number 1 and 2 respectively. So dear students, you can do this question. For that you can take help this one. So if you get confused, that is you can do this numerical with this video. Okay, thank you, bye.